Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the right, also to the settings button, so we can open the advanced camera options. Here we have to slide a little bit down to photo category, and as you can see at the first position now we have watermarks, so let's tap on it. And now we can add 3 types of watermarks to our picture: the time, model and the custom. By using these buttons from the right we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add 1 of these 2 and 3 at the same time, and when we turn on the custom one we can add some content, so our own watermark, our own text. For example, let me write here hard reset and save. And as you can see, this is how it looks like when it's turned on. Let me keep it like that, and let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see these watermarks at the real photo. Now let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermarks in the left corner at the bottom, so we can get closer to them. And as you can see, we have VIVO X60 Pro Watermark device 1 with hard reset, the custom and the date and time. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner button, right settings, slide down to photo category, pick the watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.